Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Cancer water sign for the month of November, and this is general reading. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you, Cancer. First card, Death, Two of Cups, Three of Cups. Wow. Wow. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Water energy is there. Yeah, one person in this connection undergoing some transformation, spiritual awakening. Death is positive card, and it could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. And Two of Cups with Three of Cups. Definitely your love life is going to be next level. Yes, you are going to be celebrate your love life, or in recent past definitely you both will already got married, because this is celebration of your love life. In recent past there is okay, or it is going right now, it is okay because you both love each other, and this connection is also protected by angel. Definitely there is equal love sharing between both of you, and there is celebration also. You both love each other equally, but one person undergoing some spiritual awakening. So let's see some more what is going on your connection right now. Some more messages. Wow, Six of Cups. Wow, the Fool, Eight of Cups. I think for some there is separation between both of you. For some, only very few. Eight of Cups, one person is walked away from the other person. I think for some there is third party situation involved, because Three of Cups, for some third party, single card involved. So in past there is equal love between both of you. For some there is third party situation, and one person is walked away from this connection. It could be you or your person, Cancer, but one person want reconciliation in this connection. Six of Cups with the Fool card. Definitely they want to take leap of faith, and they want to take risk to reconcile with their person. Definitely they want reconciliation. Yeah, so you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energy. You both could be water energies. Definitely leap of faith. One person want to take leap of faith. So let's see some more. Chariot, Ten of Cups, lot of water energy. Hermit, yeah. So the one person who walked away in this connection could be spiritual awakening. I already told you Death card, and Hermit is also here. Definitely one person not talking to other person. They isolated themselves from all. They are not talking to anyone. They are thinking, they are in spiritual mode right now. They are undergoing some spiritual awakening. I think it could be you or your person, but another person want to take this relationship to next level. Ten of Cups with Chariot. Definitely they want some moment in this connection, and they want to take things to next level, and they want this happiness, this new start, and they want this Ten of Cups happiness with their person. So it could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. Let's see some more. Cancer, the Lovers, Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, so you or your person could be Gemini also. Definitely there is love between both of you. There is intimacy. The Lovers card is here. You or your person could be Gemini, and the one person want to work on this relationship. Yeah, definitely they want to work on this relationship. I think it could be you or your person. And Knight of Pentacles, the spiritual awakening person also want reconciliation, but their energy is very slow towards their person. They are coming back to they are going back to their person, but this energy is very slow moving energy. But still there is some movement. Yeah, one person want to work on this relationship, and the other person is spiritual awakening. They also want reconcile. So let's pull some cards. Your person current feelings and their near future actions. Then we will get more clarity about the situation. Let's see your person current feelings towards you, Cancer. Yeah, Six of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. Yeah, I think the one person who stuck, who is spiritual awakening, I think it's your person. Eight of Cups. I think your person maybe walked away from you in past. You want reconciliation with your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. I think you want reconciliation. You want to work on this relationship. Are your person thinking that you walked away from this connection? But they are thinking their feelings towards you. Eight of Cups, you walked away, but they want to offer equal give and take in this connection. And Eight of Swords, but they are literally stuck right now. They don't know what to do because they are unable to make any move right now because they are feeling stuck. They are stuck in this energy. I think you want reconciliation with your person. I think you may be undergoing some spiritual awakening, Cancer. After you walked away, definitely you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, but your person want reconciliation with you. Yeah, they want to offer equal give and take. For some, you both could be stuck. Definitely there is no contact or less contact between both of you. Yeah, but one person want reconciliation in this connection. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Because Hermit and Eight of Swords, definitely one person is stuck and one person is walked away. So let's pull your person near future actions towards you. Yeah, 10 of Swords, 7 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles. Yeah, the one person who want to work on this relationship is you, Cancer, but your person, only they are thinking they want to give equal give and take, but here the situation is somewhere going, because 2 of Pentacles, they are juggling. Maybe your person have options, your person playing games with you, definitely, because 7 of Swords is here, sneaky energy. I think they maybe lied to you, cheated on you, that's why you walked away. Yeah, they are thinking that you walked away. I think the walked away person is you. In past, you want reconciliation, you walked away, but you want your person back. But what is here going, definitely your person want rebirth in this connection, but be careful before giving second chance, because 7 of Swords is here. There is some sneaky energy, some false communication and lies. Your person may be telling some lies to you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Knight of Wands, 4 of Pentacles, 5 of Swords, King of Pentacles. Still there are some disturbances, still there is some fighting going between both of you. 5 of Swords with 4 of Pentacles. One person not expressing their feelings to other person. I think it's your person. And Knight of Wands. Definitely your person may be passionate about you, or you both are passionate about each other. One person want to offer stable commitment, stable offer this connection. It's you, Cancer, but your person not. In past, they're very sneaky. They're playing some mind games also. So they are stuck. They want to offer equal give and take, but they don't take any action. Yes, they're willing to take action. They want to offer equal give and take, but in action wise they don't. I am not seeing any action cards here. 7 of Swords is very sneaky. I think maybe there is some third party also there. Please be careful before giving a chance. For some, you are working on towards your career and goals, because 8 of Pentacles is here. So if it is not third party, still I am getting not positive vibes from this reading from your person side. Definitely 5 of Swords with 8 or 7 of Swords. I am getting something sneaky in this connection. So if it is third party, please don't give another chance to your person. If it is not, it's up to you, depending upon your situation, what's going on your relationship right now. Definitely your person is juggling between things. Yeah, still they want to they thinking they want to offer equal give and take, but in action wise, still they don't decide what to do. Still. So 4 of Pentacles, that's why they are unable to express their feelings. They are having hard time to express their feelings, but they are very passionate about you. The one person who always there for this connection, who always willing reconciliation, who always take leap of faith is you, Cancer. I think then you walked away from this person. Then the separation is happened, because your person don't take any decision, then way you walked away. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Yeah, 9 of wands, 10 of swords and 8 of wands. Yeah, you will receive some communication from your person, and maybe yeah, you are, this is a very painful ending for some. Definitely you want to give up on this connection because some sneaky energy. For some you want to give another chance. And 9 of wands, most of you don't want to give another chance because 9 of wands is you are protecting your heart from your person, because there is some sneaky energies here. If it is not third party, it's up to you. Let's see your person overall energy. Yeah, 5 of wands, ace of swords and 7 of wands. Sometimes they are acting like defensive, and ace of swords, definitely some communication truth coming out. And 5 of wands, definitely there is some fighting still going between both of you. Yeah, so this is the reading for you guys. Definitely there is something is there between both of you. Definitely your person want to offer equal give and take, want to offer commit to you, but they don't take any actions. They're only telling I am doing that, I will do that, but not taking any action. So this is the reading for you guys. Cancer, hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.